Thank you for joining me for another ITY video. I have with me Tara Commerford, the General Manager of GoDaddy Australia and New Zealand. Welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
Now, look, we're having some connectivity issues this morning on Skype, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I have done a longer interview with Jeff King, the Senior Vice President and General Manager of Hosting and Security, about your new cloud announcements. But just in brief, tell us about what has been happening with you since you started GoDaddy Australia about 6 months ago.
Yeah, so I think we met up last time 6 months ago when we announced our entry into the Australian market with our operational setup and also my appointment as Managing Director. And since then, we've been incredibly busy. We've been making a lot of inroads in terms of building the business here in Australia. This announcement today of cloud servers and applications is one of them. And we're incredibly excited about offering that to our SMB audience and startup market here in Australia. It's a large market for us over here. At the moment, it's worth just over $1 billion. We expect that it's going to be worth around $4.5 billion by 2018. And we certainly want to tap into that opportunity. But on the business front, we've had a lot of highlights. So we found an office here. I'm dialing in from Tankstream Labs, which is the startup precinct in the heart of the city here. And we chose this intentionally to be closer to our startups, which are effectively our customers and our SMB audience. So we're getting lovely instant feedback from them in terms of how we can iterate on the product locally and how we should be shaping our efforts here on the ground. The other update is we've now got a marketing director on board. We're ramping up the team over here. We've appointed Derek Craig as our marketing director. And we've also started to build out our agency infrastructure as well. So we've got TPWA on board as our creative agency and MEC as our media agency as well. So a lot of activity.
Excellent. Well, look, thank you very much for that local update. And I'll switch over now to the interview with Jeff. Thank you very much, Tara.
Thanks, Alex.
Well, hello, and thank you for joining me for another ITY video with top IT executives. Today, I have with me Jeff King. He is the Senior Vice President and General Managing of Hosting and Security at GoDaddy. Welcome to the program.
Thanks for having me.
So you have a big cloud announcement today. So can you please tell us more about that?
We do, yeah, thanks. We're really excited about the announcement we're making today. We're actually announcing two new products. One of them is called Cloud Servers, and the other is Cloud Applications. And Cloud Servers is really a very developer-friendly product. It was built for web developers and created really to make their lives easier. The product is a very simple cloud offering. Essentially allows you to spin up a virtual server with any number of stacks or distributions. The geeks out there will know what I mean by that. Any flavor of Linux, whether it's Arch Linux or CentOS or Ubuntu or whatever, very, very easily. And it was designed with essentially an API first interface. And the geeks will love that. It's a very, very straightforward, simple to use cloud application that enables a developer to spin up an environment and get started with their development project very, very easily.
Now,
sorry,
go on, please go on.
No problem. Yeah, the second thing is really cloud applications, and this is a catalog of applications actually provided by our new partner, Bitnami. And again, the developer community probably recognizes Bitnami. They've been around for a long time. They have a popular catalog of over 120 mostly open source applications that really make it very, very easy for a developer to deploy one of those applications right on top of a cloud server. And this is incredibly cool for a web developer because it basically takes a ton of steps out of their day. And when they're spinning up a new project for a new client, they can lay down something like Magento or WordPress or put their favorite Ruby environment right in line and have it ready to rock and roll so they can get on with the real fun, which is developing applications.
Sure. I mean, most hosting companies normally don't offer cloud services, and most cloud companies don't offer any of the domain name registration, DNS, and other facilities that GoDaddy's provided for some years. So, I mean, I guess that blend of the two is part of the unique selling proposition that makes you different from, say, Azure or Amazon Web Services or whatever other public, private, and hybrid clouds are out there.
Yeah, I agree. As a matter of fact, I think for most web developers who are and our market is really focused around small businesses, and with this product, it's really around developers that are serving those small businesses. The web developers who are spinning up a WordPress site or even a Magento instance Azure and Google App Engine and Amazon Cloud is really just overkill for them. It's super complicated, very complex API, lots of great features and capabilities, but mostly things that a small website, your local plumber, your local small business isn't going to need all of that capability. And so what we're trying to do is take the best of what's available in the cloud, put a very, very simple API around it, and then add in what GoDaddy is known for best: domain names, DNS, IP addresses, security, SSL certs, all into one simple package. And we think that's going to make the life of the web developer very, very streamlined, and they're going to love this thing.
Sure. Now, you must have been working on this for some time. What was just some of the background in getting this happening at GoDaddy and with your partner Bitnami?
Well, we actually have. As a matter of fact, the platform that all of this is laid down on top of is built on OpenStack. And OpenStack is a very popular open source cloud platform. GoDaddy uses OpenStack globally for all of our own applications. So we develop our website builder and our other tools that we provide on top of OpenStack. And if a developer inside of GoDaddy wants to spin up a new VM, they just fire a command over to OpenStack to get that. We're essentially releasing our first cloud product and essentially bringing that power of OpenStack to our customers for the first time here. And that has been in development for some time. The other thing, and how this is related, and really the insight for this product comes from our understanding of the overall market. If you look at GoDaddy's vision, our vision is to enable anyone to easily start, confidently grow, and manage their own venture. And many small businesses out there feel like web development is something that is best outsourced. It's like their accounting, right? They want to be the world's best photographer or carpenter or whatever their passion is, right? And they see web development as overhead and unnecessary overhead. And so a huge percentage of the market actually hires a professional to build their web presence. Web presence is absolutely critical for any small business.
Absolutely.
And so for us to win with the small businesses, we need to win with the developers that serve that market. And we haven't traditionally focused there. This is something that many of our customers, we have millions of web professionals that use our products, but this product is built specifically for these guys, right? And our job is really to make the life of the web developer very, very easy, and that's what we're trying to do with GoDaddy. And as a matter of fact, we announced and launched a new program around that called GoDaddy Pro, which is really adjacent to this product that's being released under the GoDaddy Pro brand name. GoDaddy Pro was built specifically for web developers, and the idea is to make it very easy to manage and support the workflows that we know these guys live with every day. We make it very easy to get access to their clients' accounts without sharing usernames and passwords. They can even buy things on their client's behalf. They can monitor their client's website. So if there's a problem, they're going to be the first ones to know, so they can look good before the phone rings with an angry client. We enable advanced technical support for these guys. These guys are professionals. If they have a problem, they want to get our senior most tech support guys on the phone and not someone who doesn't speak their language yet. So we really focused on the web professional market here with this product, but also the program that we launched, GoDaddy Pro, last year.
Sure. And I mean, as a development product, I mean, it's presumably going to cost more than just your standard registration of a website. But as a customer myself of GoDaddy's for many years, I mean, this must be competitively priced in the market.
We think it's very competitively priced. As a matter of fact, well, first of all, it's 30 days free. So all you web devs out there, go ahead and exercise it, try it out to your heart's content. You can get everything but the very largest package and use the heck out of it and see what you like and what you don't like about it. And then really it's packaged in a pay-per-use model, just like a standard cloud product. And again, we think that's competitively priced for the market out there. As a matter of fact, it's going to be even cheaper to run a WordPress site on GoDaddy Cloud than it would be on something like Amazon. And I think people will think the features and the pricing is very competitive in this market.
Sure. Any final messages for ITWire viewers and readers and for your current and future customers?
No, great. I just say try it out. Looking forward to getting this new product out in the market and getting feedback from our newest customers and seeing how this goes. So.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Best of luck with the new service, and I'll talk to you again in the future when you have more announcements.
Great, thank you.
Thank you very much.